Hello, our esteemed customers. My name is Patson Bekesa. Today I want to give a product knowledge on one of our products or items in Roche appliances. In front of you, or whatever you're seeing, is a freestanding cooker, new model, 60 by 60. And I want to take you through to guide you on how to use an oven cooker. Point number one, I'll take you through the control switches or control panel. The first knob on my left hand or on your left hand is oven selector switch. The second knob following is the oven temperature control switch or thermostat. The third knob is a gas knob. The fourth one is also a gas knob. The fifth one is a hot plate control switch or selector. And the last one is a gas switch. Now, because we are going to go through how to use the oven, we have the small switches that you can see. This one is for grill or motor grill for rotating meats in the time of roasting. This is a light to show you whatever, or to help you see whatever you are roasting in the oven. This is an igniter switch for the gas. As I want to switch on the grill element, I have my oven selector switch. On the left side, the arrow is pointing is upper grill, and the other one is oven grill. So because right now I'm doing roasting, as you can see, I have put my knob on the grill side. Maybe if I want, I can also put on the roasting on the oven side. Always make sure when roasting, the oven selector and the temperature control are always switched on. As I turn it like this, the temperature is off. As I turn like this, the temperature is on. So for the better results, both temperature and oven selectors should be on. To rotate your meat or whatever you are roasting, make sure the rotor grill or motor grill is on as indicated. The light also is there. Step number 2. On the electric part, you have the second knob from the right hand side. If you want to use the electric part, for example, maybe you don't have electricity or you don't have gas, you can. If you don't have the electricity, you can use the gas as an option. But for us now, for instance, we have electricity, or I don't want to use gas. I'm using my electric heater here. That is a hot plate. I just switch it on to help you doing whatever you are doing easily or faster, to save your gas because of economical reasons. Step number 3, now I want to use my gas together with the oven at once, for example, together with the electric plates. I still need to cook more stuff. I want my gas now to be in use. I have the igniter switch here. So I press continuously. I put my gas on. I press continuously. You can see the result. The process is the same on all the burners. And I can as well perform the same exercise at once to make sure everything is done at a time, but you can also do anything you want at the same time with the freestanding cooker Roach appliances. Any queries are highly welcome. Any assistance accorded, you can reach my number for more information and service as well. Thank you. My name once again is Patson Lekesa, engineer, Roach technician. Thank you.